Why, hello there. Yes, I know. You're like, what the heck is going on with these girls' lashes? Listen, yes, it is still the right video. No, these are not the $200 mink lash extensions that I did. But let me tell you something. First of all, now that I have your attention, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nee. For those of you who are new, hi, thank you for clicking on my video, because you could have been watching any other YouTube video right now, yet you're here. Okay, so now that you're new and now that we're here and we're kind of acquainted, go ahead and do one thing for me. Just go ahead and subscribe. I hear it's free, nobody gotta die, and you know, it's just something to kind of keep the lights on at home, you know? So go ahead and subscribe. No, these are not the $200 mink lashes that, oh, it's kind of hot in here. Let me open this window up. Woo! Okay, as you can see, these lashes are a lot. These are not the $200 lashes like I said, but today we are going to be going to my lash technician. She's actually going to be so scared when she sees these lashes. She's going to be like, what the heck is going on? Today we're going to be getting mink lash extensions. No, this isn't my first rodeo. You know, I've done this for a little while. I've been doing lashes since 2017 actually, and I love them. Okay, I really love them. Why mink lash extensions, you ask? Well, you know, I think it's something that really helps to accentuate the eye. It really brings out your eye shape. I think it's beautiful. I mean, not every day I want to be wearing strips, and I don't want to always have to like buy lashes and put the lash glue on it and, you know, apply it to my eye. That's a lot of work sometimes, and the fact that I can have lash extensions already in my eye and I can just wake up and go, not to mention waking up with these lash extensions. Girl, I don't know about you, but I feel so pretty, okay? I wake up like, yes, I did wake up like this. Flawless. So today we're gonna be doing volume top and bottom lashes. I've been going to Ashley, since 2017. She's the only one that has done my lashes at all. And you know, I really do love working with her. I love supporting her. She is a black woman, you know, we gotta support black business and just support talented people in general, you know. So we are headed to her, and I can't wait to bring you guys along on this journey with me, because we are gonna be getting our lashes done. Yay! All right, let's head there. Let's stop talking and head there. By the way, Ashley is going to give you guys all of the info on, you know, the lashes as we're doing them. Any questions you may have, you know, or maybe wondering, she's gonna answer all that, because I'm not the lash pro here, you know? I'm not, so I'm gonna do what I can. I'll just show you guys the process, and maybe you too will want to get lashes one day. Let's see. So with lashes, I will say it's important not to wear makeup. I usually do not wear makeup, but today I just did my brows just because, you know, I'm talking to y'all on video. I want to make sure I look cute. And yeah, so I'm just wearing light foundation today and eyebrows, but I made sure not to put anything like around my lash area except for this lash glue that, once again, my lash tech is going to be a little annoyed about, because it's very important not to have anything on your lashes, guys. That way, like, you just need to have clean lashes, a clean face, and just be ready for it. Does this hurt? No, it does not hurt. There is a little part where it may hurt a little bit, and that's just when you're opening your eyes, but I'll show you guys. But no, it's not really a painful process at all. But you know, word on the street is they do say beauty is pain. But no, it's not painful, guys, at all. Anything else you may need to know before we get there? Like I said, we're doing a volume lash set. There are different options of lashes that you can do. You can do classic, you can do volume, you can do cat eye. There's a lot of lash styles you can do. I am dramatic and I like the best of the best. So I'm gonna be doing a volume set. I'll get into what type of, I will be getting into what type of lashes there are. I mean, not what type of lashes. Well, actually, yeah, what type of lashes there are. Like, what is the quality of the lashes. Thank you for letting me go. Sorry, I just totally cut in front of that guy. So yes, like I said, we're gonna get into what type of lashes she's gonna use, because there are different types. Now listen, the $20 lashes that some of you guys may have heard of, I do not recommend that. And here's why. Because they're cheap. That's why it's so cheap to do them. And with lashes like that and lash glue, you don't know what they're using. That's how a lot of people get eye infections when it comes to getting lash extensions. Listen, honey, if you're gonna do this, invest. There are certain people where you may be able to get it done for cheaper. This is a $200 value service that she is doing for me. But my lash tech, like I said, Ashley, she offers discounts all the time. She has specials all the time. So she's good. If you are in the New York area, she is willing to travel. She does do in-home services as well. So obviously I'll link her Instagram and everything in the description box. But yeah, once again, I'm really excited. Getting my lashes done. Okay, I'm really gonna sign out now, and I'm just gonna see you guys when I get there because this is ridiculous. I'm blabbing on here. It's a different day, as you can see, because my hair is different, my clothes are different, everything's different. Okay, the last appointment, it didn't work out, like scheduling, blah blah blah. So I'm here today to officially do my lashes. Okay, not these things. Okay, we're gonna take these off. I'm gonna take it off, and we're gonna really go get my lashes done. So I can't wait for y'all to see. Hey y'all, so we're here. Lip and Lash by Ash. We're here about to get these lashes done. Like I said, we're gonna remove these things. Ashley was looking at me like I was crazy, not playing. And we're gonna do the full volume, right?
Yes.
Lash, and it's gonna be top and bottom lashes. It's gonna be very dramatic, but in a nice way, because she's gonna do it based off of my eye shape, because I don't have big. So it really just depends on your eye shape. That's how I believe lash technicians should do your lashes. Not everybody should have the same looking lashes, because you might look crazy. So y'all, this is my lash technician, Ashley. And what are we doing today?
Giving you a volume set, nice, long, and dramatic.
And
take them little creepy crawlers.
Yeah, off my lashes. And what do we have down here? So we're doing top and bottom though, correct?
Yeah.
What's the length of these?
These we're gonna do 14, 16, and 17.
14,
so
16,
like a nice
17.
little wispy look.
Okay.
It'll be similar to what you have on your eyes now, but not so
long. Crazy. Okay.
Long. It's more fitting to your eyes.
Right. Because these would look cute on you.
Yeah, you know.
Right. Just not me. Not me.
This is from 14 down to 17.
So how are you gonna do this? Are you gonna put like 14 in the front and then?
I'm gonna mix them up. So I'm gonna keep it shorter on the ends, because the shorter they are on the ends, you don't gotta worry about them bending and falling off too quick. And then we're gonna put the long ones in the middle. Okay. Because your eyes are so small, putting them.
She said I have small eyes, y'all.
Shorter to longer, it'll give you that more
dramatic look. Okay, because I don't want too wispy either. I want it to be a nice, sort of like Ari, but not. Okay, it's me mixed. Yeah. I can't even take her seriously with her nails, because these look so nice, so beautiful.
Thank you.
The fact that you can even still lash with nails is like a talent.
It's all in the tweezers, girl.
Okay, so you got 2 tweezers. Why is that?
These are what I use to separate your lashes, called the isolating ones. And this is what I use to pick up the lashes and actually apply them.
Okay, and then we have this tape.
This is the tape that goes over the eye pads that protect the bottom lashes from being stuck to the top.
Yeah, you guys will see. And then we have a fan here for them to dry.
For after, when you're drying them, or during. Sometimes you get a little burning from the fumes, so that's what the fan is for.
Yeah, that's what I meant by like the fact that it hurts, but it doesn't really hurt. It just hurts for like maybe 2 seconds, but it doesn't really hurt though. So I would not do your lashes because of that, because it's not even a big thing. It's sort of like
just a few.
Yeah.
It's not the actual glue.
Right. Because I'm sure a lot of people get scared about that, but it's not even a thing.
Like some people get red eyes, but red eyes is normal.
Right.
From anything.
Right, and red eyes for like 20 minutes. Yeah, literally. It's sort of like how guys get haircuts, and then you know when the barber like puts the alcohol and then that part hurts for a second. It's like that. And then she has a lash bath here because I have to take off these eyelashes.
So you have to get off the excess glue that you have on your eyelashes from wearing those strips, and whatever oils and makeup that may have been on there that you may have missed, or it's a little hot outside. So you know we sweat a little bit. Our natural skin oils, it all travels there. So you just want to make sure your canvas is as clean as possible.
Look at how professional she sounds. How long you been doing this now, girl? 5. Ooh, you saw.
5.
She said 5 years. Look me up.
Qualified, certified. We have to find the lashes, of course.
Okay, how long are these lashes going to take?
Depending on how full we want them, it could be 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay, and then wait, that includes the bottom lash as well?
Bottom lashes is probably like another 10-15 minutes.
Okay, not bad.
In total, I give myself a fair hour, 45 minutes, hour and a half, just because that cleaning process. You want to make sure you're actually cleaning the lashes.
That means don't come late, okay?
Yeah.
All right, be on time.
And wear no makeup.
Yeah, I was telling them that. Yeah, guys, don't wear any makeup. And then how long should I expect these to last me?
Every 2 to 3 weeks you could get a fill-in, because of course our natural lashes grow out. We lose 3 to 5 lashes every day. So within the 2 weeks you'll be ready for a fill-in. Some people go as long as a month. I have clients who come back a month and a week and they're still there, but they get a fill-in.
And it depends on how you sleep as well.
And how you take care of them, clean them.
I love the fact that you mentioned that lashes fall off 2 to 3 days. Like every day 2 to 3 lashes, because a lot of people are like, oh my god, my lashes are falling off, like these are so cheap, like why these are not lasting, what happened?
Just like your hair, it sheds.
Right.
Your lashes shed, your skin shed, everything on the body shed, so new could come in.
We're about to start this process. She's actually going to start off by putting the what would you call them? iPads, yeah. Not like an actual iPad. It's not a, you know, like
it's
really
just to cover
iPads.
the bottom lash and it's a little aloe gel for under your eyes.
Oh, look at that.
So this is just the first part of covering your bottom lashes. We're going to reinforce with the tape, because with the iPad you want to make sure it's not on the waterline. You want to make sure it's just covering your lashes, and see, you can still see the root of the bottom. And this is so that as your eyes is closed and I'm lashing you, they won't stick together.
Yeah, so after a while, guys, I'm just gonna have to close my eyes.
I have the tape on my hand first so it's not so sticky and it won't pull your bottom lashes out. Now I'm just reinforcing whatever hairs didn't take with the iPad. The glue, these things are not supposed to touch your skin. It's not supposed to get on the skin at all. It's just for the lashes. If you put the extension too close, sometimes it'll irritate the person's skin. Their eyes will look swollen.
See, that's what happens when you go to them cheap girls too, that don't have lash training. It's your $20 lashes.
Shorter on the ends,
and then
she didn't want them too wispy, so they are graduated. They're not too all over the place.
And usually what happens is, like, when I open my eyes, if Ashley feels like she needs to put more lashes, then she does
some more in.
Yeah. Okay, so you're done?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're done. And she just gave me the fan.
Dry whatever excess glue is not dry. So it doesn't burn when you open.
Right, and it does make your eyes feel like just better. Okay, so my eyes are like burning a little bit, but which is normal, guys. Your eyes do get a little teary-eyed, but this feeling will go away very soon. That's what this fan is for. Yeah, so my eyes are just a little bit irritated, but that feeling will go away soon. But these are the results. Final look. What are we thinking? And she also did the bottom lash as well, as you can see. And it looks very natural. Yeah, I'm getting teary-eyed a lot. So Ashley also gave me this, which is what? Spoolie?
To spoolie, you want to brush them out, because again, when they're growing out, some of them are going to get twisted, the lashes are going to fall. Anytime it's itching or anything, you want to use that brush and just brush it out.
Right, like just like this.
Yeah.
And then, you know, sometimes when you wear makeup, you can use a little makeup remover and wet this brush to clean it.
Exactly.
And yeah, that's just the final look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Like I said, and how much would these lashes be? I know it depends on your size.
110 with the bottom, or 150.
So this is a $200 value, but Ashley has a discount, So this is 110 with the bottom lashes as well, you said?
150.
And with the bottom lashes, it's 150.
So you're saving $50.
Saving $50. I don't know who I am anymore. And I just cut my eyebrows, man, so you can't even tell me anything right now. What are you saying? What are you saying to me? You can't tell me anything. So if you guys want to book with Ashley, her Instagram is @liftandlash. I'm also gonna put that in my description box. And yeah, any words, Ashley? This is just a day in the work of
Your appointments, lady.
right. Or guys, if you know, into that kind of thing.
That's it.
All right, I'll see you guys in my next video.